Ladies and gentlemen, motorheads and off-road fanatics, rev up those engines and buckle up because we're about to dive deep into Toyota's beastly surprise. Welcome to your ultimate pit stop, Piston Pundit, where we unravel the engines, shred the tires, and immerse in the luxury of vehicles. Today, we're all about the colossal Toyota SUV that's taken the motoring world by storm. And before we hit the gas, don't forget to subscribe to Piston Pundit and gear up for the most exciting vehicle updates every week. The Toyota Sequoia isn't just any full-size SUV. It's a legendary machine that's carried an impeccable reliability record for 2 decades. Now, just when we thought it couldn't get any better, Toyota floors us with an awe-inspiring upgrade. This is not just a continuation, it's an elevation of legacy. And folks, this is the next-gen beast to beat. Nightshade. Not just an addition, it's a revolution. The Nightshade exterior package isn't a mere addition to the vehicle. It's an emotion for Toyota enthusiasts. This sought-after look has adorned many of Toyota's darlings, making them look sharper and more formidable than ever. And now, the 2024 Sequoia Limited gets this honor. The Sequoia by design is already a showstopper. Its vast grille paired with its boxy and bold physique exclaims its dominance. But when the limited trim brings in the Nightshade magic, hold on to your hats because the road is about to witness unparalleled grandeur. The once subtle features now scream aggressiveness. The boring nuances? Gone, replaced by the dark allure of black painted wheels, trim pieces, and that grille that sends shivers down the spine. Craving an even more intimidating look? Merge the Nightshade persona with the TRD off-road package, and you've got an off-roader that doesn't just traverse terrains but rules them, lifting the bar and the SUV. Elevate with the lift kit. For those whose hearts beat faster at the mention of off-roading, Toyota's gift to you is the optional lift kit for the Sequoia. This isn't just a lift, it's a transformation. Imagine boosting the SUV's ground clearance by a whopping 2.6 inches, giving it steeper approach and departure angles. The terrain below might change, but with this kit, the Sequoia's command remains unshaken. Got a 2022 or newer Sequoia? This kit is your calling, irrespective of whether your vehicle is fresh out of the showroom or has been your adventure companion for a while. Dive deeper into what this package brings: the Bilstein monotube shocks, the towering red coil springs, and the sturdy forged Roush Performance upper control arms. And the cherry on top? A price tag of just $3,995. DIY enthusiasts can roll up their sleeves, or Toyota dealerships can do the honors for an additional fee. Though it might not turn your SUV into a full-blown TRD Pro, the lift kit ensures the Sequoia becomes a formidable contender on rugged terrains, making heads turn and jaws drop. Engine dynamics, power meets economy. The heart of the Sequoia is the marvel called iForce Max Hybrid Powertrain. Toyota's masterpiece brings to the table a 3.5-liter twin-turbo V6 engine, a beast that packs in torque and power, leaving its gas-guzzling V8 counterparts in the dust. Toyota's engineering finesse is evident when this V6 pairs with a 10-speed automatic gearbox. The result? A machine that roars and purrs at your command. Whether you demand torque or crave silent cruising at high speeds, this drivetrain obeys every whisper. Adding to this symphony is the electric motor, further optimizing fuel efficiency and low RPM oomph, making the Sequoia a true off-road legend. With a combined output of 437 horsepower and 583 pound-feet of torque, the Sequoia boasts of fuel efficiency figures rivaling the Ford Expedition and Chevy Tahoe. Versatility, the Sequoia's middle name. Be it rough terrains or sleek highways, the Sequoia stands tall. Its seamless ride over inconsistencies, its cocooned cabin, and its ability to cruise effortlessly at high speeds make it a crown jewel in the SUV realm. Adding to its laurels is the spaciousness within. Opt for the third-row seats, and you've got a family chariot. Even with all seats occupied, the cargo space is cavernous. And if you choose the folding second-row seats, You're looking at a space that rivals modern apartments. But the Sequoia isn't just about carrying people and luggage. Its engine gearbox duo ensures it tows up to 9,500 pounds with ease. Moving a house or perhaps kickstarting a stalled planet? The Sequoia's got your back. Now let's chat about its off-road prowess. Its body-on-frame chassis ensures off-road terrains feel like smooth tarmac. The TRD and other off-road tailored versions are beasts on challenging terrains. Though there's a tad bit of compromise on on-road comfort, the off-road dominance compensates. Reliability. It's a Sequoia thing. Doubting the Sequoia's durability is like questioning water's wetness. Historically, they've been monstrous mile crunchers, crossing vast distances with minimal hiccups. The new 3.5 V6 follows this tradition, outperforming its predecessor, the revered 5.7 naturally aspirated V8, in power and economy. Riding on the tested TNGAF platform, the Sequoia shares its robust genes with other Toyota marvels. Maintenance, a breeze. Repairs, infrequent and affordable. With shared platforms come readily available parts, ensuring the Sequoia's legacy remains untarnished. Trim levels, the Sequoia Spectrum. Breaking down the price tag, the base SR5 model, priced at $60,875, is a steal. Standard features include a panoramic view monitor, an 8-inch infotainment system boasting wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, and the unmatched Toyota's Safety Sense 2.5. Fancy more luxury? The limited trim, priced $6,400 more, offers opulence with comfortable Softex seats, a colossal 14-inch infotainment screen, and an alluring exterior crowned with the optional Nightshade package. The Platinum trim, priced at $73,465, offers a subtle upgrade in luxury. But the Capstone, priced near $77,865, is luxury redefined with its top-notch interior and exterior features. For the enthusiasts, the TRD Pro, starting at $78,710, is the ultimate off-road machine with its standard four-wheel drive, matte black forged aluminum BBS wheels, and the most iconic exterior look. In conclusion, if value for money is your game, the limited version is the MVP. But if off-roading adventures make your heart race, nothing beats the Sequoia TRD Pro. So there you have it, the mighty Sequoia, dissected and laid bare for all you motorheads. Remember, hit that subscribe button to stay updated with all the automotive marvels that roll our way. Keep revving, and until next time, happy driving.